Hello all, it's just Paul again. What are we doing tonight? I'm working on this realistic TRC-451. This is after the initial cleanup. The radiator's not RX or TX. Just working through it. What have I done so far? Replaced all the caps. Also the UPC, what is it? The UPC 1182H NEC audio transistor was showing faulty. Replaced that. Still don't have any TX or RX much. Now it is actually slightly better than what it was. Replaced all the caps. I'll just swing you around, just hang on a second. Alright, here we go. Where do we start? Replace the audio transistor here, UPC 1182H. Replaced all the caps. You can see from here, this is a must do. Need to get rid of all of the adhesive, which I've done. There's a bit of residue here. But I've gone through and just spent the time, got rid of all of the 16 and 10 volt caps and replaced them with 50s and over. Oh, there's some 16s that I've replaced, especially on the 0.549s, I think they are, 42s, whatever they are. Again, I finished the gen. I've got to go through and test the finals to see what's going on there, but I suspect that there's some switching transistor that's not working fine now in the preamp stage. Alright, that's where we are. Lovely radio, these TRC-451s. Highly desirable. Just hang on a second. Yeah, as I was saying, highly desirable. The